We got the zip line. It costs $55 per person, and so you can see behind me the map. You got 10 zip lines and 20 stops. Let's start it.
Hi!
Hi.
Samana Bay, italiano.
Nice. Karina, how was the zip lining?
Well, it was so much fun. It was fast and long, and the view was amazing.
Yeah, it was 100% adrenaline.
Yes. And the guys were very funny.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Thank you. We just arrived to Las Galeras. We are gonna stay here for 2 nights. This place is called Casa Azul, which is the blue house, as you can see behind me. It costs like $160 for 2 nights, and if you want to add breakfast, it's another $10 per person. And tomorrow our plan is to go to Playa Rincon and checking out Caño Frío. And today it looks like it's gonna be stormy, and we are starving and didn't eat all day, so we're going to eat in Las Galeras, and see you tomorrow, guys. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.